If I was a single family home buyer in San Francisco and I wanted to live in a really cool neighborhood, I would definitely look at this property. This is a gorgeous, renovated single-family home that features 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Now, 4 of those bedrooms are on the same level upstairs, including a primary bedroom suite, and an incredible detached cottage is behind me. This is such an incredible home. You have an open floor plan kitchen and family room. You have a formal living room and a formal dining room. And what's undeniable here is the overwhelming sense of spaciousness of this home. Spaciousness. 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 .295 14th Avenue is such a unique family compound. It's where your dreams can unfold. Come and take a tour.